Hello everyone. The next strategy for option is long condor with puts. It can be created by purchasing two puts, one with an exercise price, the least exercise price E1, another with an exercise price E4. Then selling two puts, one with an exercise price E2 and another with an exercise price E3. E1 less than E2 less than E3 less than E4. And the gap between E1 and E2 is the same as the gap between E4 and E3. Same expiry date for all the options. In the first case, since we purchase, we have to pay premium P1 and P2, P4. And in the second case, since we are selling, we are receiving premium P2 and P3. So the payoff table, if the market price is S1, will have, like in the previous long condor with calls, you had how many possibilities? Same possibilities are appearing here also. So the first thing is, I am the holder and I'm holding one long put. So means I'm having a put option. So what I will do, market price is larger than the largest exercise price, so I won't exercise. Market price is larger than E3. So since E3 is larger than E1, I won't exercise. Market price is larger than E2. Since E2 is larger than E1, I won't exercise. Market price is larger than my exercise price E1, I won't exercise. Market price lesser than E1, I will exercise here. My margin will be E1 minus S1. In the next case, I'm holding a put option with me. So I am the holder, and what I will do if it is a put option. Market price larger than E4, I won't exercise. Yeah, so I'm holding another long put with an exercise price E4. The market price is larger than E4, I won't exercise. Here, next one, market price is lesser than my exercise price, I will exercise. And my profit will be E4 minus S1. Here, market price is lesser than E3, that means it will be lesser than E4 also, I will exercise. My profit will be the same. Market price is lesser than E2, so I will exercise, my profit will be the same. It is lesser than E1, that means it will be lesser than E4 also, I will exercise. In this case, I am not the holder. To whom I sold, he is the holder, what he will decide. S1 larger than E4, he won't exercise. S1 larger than E2, he won't exercise. S1 is less than, I'm sorry, S1 is larger than E2, he won't exercise here also. S1 is lesser than E2, he will exercise. His profit will be E2 minus S1 will be his profit. Here I am going to write mine. So it will be S1 minus E2. The last one, S1 is lesser than the least exercise price. That means it will be lesser than E2 also. So my profit will be S1 minus, or my loss, whatever it may be. Here I will have to say profit. Because, right. Next one. Just a minute. So it is again, I'm the writer, I'm not the holder, and it is a put option. S1 is larger than E4. That means it will be definitely larger than E3 also. So this will not be exercised by him. And S1 is larger than E3, he won't exercise. S1 less than E3, he will exercise, his profit will be E3 minus S1, which means mine will be S1 minus E3. Then S1 is less than E2, that means it will be less than E3 also. So he will exercise, his profit will be E3 minus S1, so mine will be S1 minus E3. That will be the same for the subsequent two things, because in both the cases, S1 is lesser than E3. Total payoff, first one it will be 0, second one it will be E4 minus S1. Next it is same thing, no, not same thing. S1 gets cancelled, so you have E4 minus E3. Next, S1 gets cancelled. One S1 is there. And then plus E4. And then minus E2. Then minus E3. S1 gets cancelled. One S1 is there. E4 minus E2 minus E3. Yeah. Then next one, S1, 2 minus S1, 2 plus S1 gets cancelled. So here you will have E1 plus E4, then minus E2, then minus E3. That will be your total payoff. And then premium. Here you are paying, so minus P1 minus P4, minus P1 minus P4, and then you receive by selling two puts, P2 plus P3 plus P2 plus P2, then sorry, plus P3. So I can copy this to all. So where all S1 is coming in two places. Here it is coming, here it is coming. First of all, let me write this. First column, second column, third column, fourth column, fifth column. This is sixth column. This is seventh column. So this is actually 6 plus 7. So let me put details there. So now I can write the break-even price here itself. It will be S1 star for this is equal to E4 minus P1 minus P4 plus P2 plus P3. Then here from this I can say S1 star is equal to E1 plus P4 minus P2 minus P3 minus E4 plus E2 plus E3. That will be your break-even price, because I am going to equate this entire thing to 0. So S1 I'll retain it in the left side, rest everything I'm taking to the right side. That's why these two signs I changed. Signs I changed. And then here I just took S1 minus S1 to the other side. Rest everything remains the same. So that's why I wrote like that. So this is about your long condor with puts. In case if you find this video to be useful to you, I request you to please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.